Hey, what's going on, guys? For this question, I'll be solving Leetcode 121, best time to buy and sell a stock. This is a bit of a tricky question, even though it's easy, so I think it will help to visualize it using a small diagram that I had put up earlier here. So essentially, let me just recap the question. Actually, we're given an array of prices, and we want to figure out when's the best time to buy and when's the best time to sell for maximum profit. And if we can't do that, then we can just return 0. So to figure out how to do that, when we look at a graph like this of these prices in the array, we can notice that we just want to figure out at what point do we have the lowest price, and at what point after that do we have the largest price or highest price, so that we can sell for a maximum profit. So in this case, it'll be 6 minus 1, which is 5. So just using those two information, we can answer this question. So using that, what we can do is we can store the minimum price so far that we've seen. And initially we can say that this is like a huge, gigantic number. And the result that we want to return is going to be 0, first of all. And we can end with returning that. And using that, we can just iterate the prices array, go through each one by one, and the minimum price, it's either going to be whatever we're looking at right now, or the minimum price that we've stored before. So whatever the minimum between these two is going to be the answer for that. And the resulting profit is either going to be the maximum of what we stored before, or the price that we're currently on minus the minimum price that we've stored. This tackles the case of when we start at 7, the minimum price is going to be 7 that we store. And the profit is still going to be 0. And when we go down to 1, we're going to update the minimum price to be 1. And the profit is still going to be 0 because we haven't sold yet. But then when we go to 5, we're going to notice that the minimum price is 1. But the profit is going to be 5 minus the minimum price, which is 1, which is going to give us a profit of 4. And as we go on, we're still going to have the minimum price stored as 1. And then when we reach 6, we can update the resulting profit to be 6 minus 1 to give us the answer that we're looking for, which is 5. I think that should be it. This question might seem tricky at the beginning, but just drawing out a graph of these numbers, it's going to give you a better indicator of what you should be looking for. And yeah, hopefully that made sense. Thank you for watching.